Hey guys, really quick, I wanted to share a new addition to my hair care routine, specifically scalp routine. I've been using this growth activating serum for 30 days now, and I feel like I'm definitely starting to see some thickness towards the ends. My bangs are definitely getting thicker, so I feel like the hair at the side and the top of my hair are growing out, especially because I just gave them a pretty decent trim the other week. In this video, I'll be covering my night routine, how I protect my hair at night, how I use the serum every day so that I don't get like a greasy feel. I feel like the whole point of it is really to moisturize your scalp without you really noticing it's there. It's supposed to kind of just disappear, and that's what I feel like is the main difference from this and a scalp oil that you would do like when you have braids and stuff like that. So yeah, I've been loving this. The consistency is definitely what has me sold, and I feel like I am seeing some results, so I'll show kind of my progress throughout this month when I've been using it, and my length beforehand. Okay, so I just shampooed and conditioned, and I styled my hair with leave-in conditioner and a curling jelly, and I've been using this healthy scalp serum for about a week now, but I just wanted to show like a before because I want to track my hair growth and just see if I see a difference in a few weeks. So hang time check. Like I said, this is an oil-free scalp serum that focuses more on hydration with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, turmeric, and basil. I do about 2 squeezes per session, and I do this at nighttime so that it's dry in the morning and my roots aren't wet. I just kind of give myself a little head massage, nothing too harsh, just my main focus is making sure that the product gets all over my scalp. So yeah, this is where we're at right now. I'm kind of at like shoulder length. My hair definitely looks healthy, but I just feel like it's not growing as fast as it used to. I feel like I'm always at shoulder length, so yeah, I just wanted to find some sort of like scalp treatment, hair growth treatment that wasn't greasy, something I could actually use every day. Although I love oils and I put oil on my scalp all the time, I really only stick to the greasy, thick oils like castor oil, coconut oil, stuff like that before wash day, or if I'm doing an oil treatment. But if I'm just, you know, getting ready for the day, or if I want to have a good hair day, I'm definitely not gonna put grease on my roots because it's just gonna make my hair look like I need to take a shower again. So if you want a daily one, oil-free. So yeah, I like it. I'll update you guys in a couple weeks, see if I'm seeing any growth. And this is my day 3 hair. So like it's been 3 days since I washed it. These are my results. Today is officially 5 weeks that I've been using it. So to compare my results, these are both on day 3 hair with the same styling products. I did this because sometimes my hair looks smaller the first day after I style it, or if I use different products. So I just wanted to keep everything else constant in order to really tell if my hair is growing out or not. My ends have definitely thickened out, and I do feel like it looks longer on the top and on the sides. My little fro circumference is growing. But honestly, the best part of this for me is the consistency, how the product feels and how it smells. It's just all really gentle and it's very lightweight, and it just reminds me a lot of the serums that I use on my skin, which leave my face really hydrated but don't break it out, don't make it greasy. It was really easy for me to use it daily because it just fully soaked up and absorbed into my scalp and my hair. I feel like it's kind of like an extension of my skincare routine at nighttime. So when I'm like putting all my products on my face before I go to bed, this will kind of be like the icing, the little cherry on top to finish up like my night routine. So I like to let it marinate and dry overnight under my silk cap. You can apply it directly onto the scalp with the nozzle, just make sure you're distributing it evenly. I feel like I have more control when I apply it on my fingertips first and then massage it on my scalp. Plus I don't have to use as much this way, so it kind of lasts me a bit longer. It's sort of cooling. It feels very calming, like putting lotion on. Honestly, the growth results remind me a lot of when I take my braids down and I've been oiling my scalp every day. I feel like I get about a ½ inch of new growth at my roots, and then hopefully, my hair is still long if I take the braids down gently and stuff like that. But I think a big factor of that is that I've been oiling my scalp every single day, and I just don't really keep that habit up when I'm doing wash and goes, because again, it just just ruins the look. So this is nice because I can tend to my hair regardless of what style it's in. And it has great clean ingredients, all proven to promote the growth of healthy hair for fuller, thicker looking curls. And I also love their curly all-in-one styler. That's how I originally found out about Love Your Curls. It was like my second or third video that I posted on here ever, so I knew I could trust them. I love everything that they do. It's just, it seems like they're really into simple ingredients and simple like routines, because they have like an all-in-one styler that is like a leave-in conditioner, a curl cream, and a gel all mixed in one. It's just the best. So yeah, that's how I officially found out about them. That's actually what I styled my hair with today. There's only 2 products in my hair. It's the all-in-one styler, the curly one. I used to use the coily, but I switched to curly because it makes my hair look longer. And then also the scalp serum, of course. I definitely feel like my hair is getting longer. It reminds me of my hair in college. I feel like my hair has been so short since I graduated college. I don't know if it's been the stress or what. Maybe I'm not eating as healthy, not drinking as much water, but I swear my hair just started breaking off and like really thinning out when I graduated. Actually, I know what it is. It's the economy. The economy and climate change, politics, it's stressing me out. But yeah, I'm happy that I'm like finding a serum that works really well, because it's just the easiest thing that I've used so far that I've really had ease in being consistent with. I always say like I'm gonna oil my scalp every night and use these expensive serum drops I bought, but like they just don't smell good, or they leave my hair greasy, and I want my hair to look clean and fresh every day. So yeah, 10 out of 10. I will give another update probably on the 90-day mark, because that's when you'll fully see the results. I have also been taking vitamins. I take hair, skin, and nails vitamins daily, and fish oil. I just feel like that has kind of been keeping my skin clear. So I've been doing that since high school though. I haven't like just started those, but I just would highly suggest it for keeping your skin clear and also growing your nails out. So, but yeah, if you're looking to tend to your scalp and really, you know, moisturize it so you're leaving like a healthy environment for new hair to grow, but you don't want to sacrifice the cleanliness of your hair, sometimes like you have to with a scalp oil, something thick, I would definitely suggest going for an oil-free serum, something that has things like hyaluronic acid in it, because those are what's gonna like disappear in your hair within a few hours. I just can't really say the same for oils. Although they're great for braids, I can't do the oil on my curly hair every single day. Thank you guys for watching this review on another product from Love Your Curls. This just came out recently, like last month, and I get mine directly from their website. I am a part of their affiliate program, which means I have a little discount code for you all, which you can enter at checkout or just follow the link down in the description. Thanks again. Bye.